The dominance of the United States military across the skies, seas, and space is not the result of a single weapon, aircraft, or fleet, but the outcome of decades of strategic planning, technological innovation, and global presence. Since the end of World War II, the U.S. has shaped its military doctrine around one central idea: control every domain of warfare before the enemy can react. This philosophy goes beyond brute force. It focuses on speed, intelligence, coordination, and overwhelming superiority at the very start of any conflict. Whether responding to regional threats or maintaining global stability, the U.S. military is structured to project power anywhere on Earth within hours. This capability is backed by the world's largest defense budget, a vast industrial base, and continuous research into next-generation technologies. As warfare evolves from traditional battles into multi-domain operations involving cyber, space, and artificial intelligence, the United States has positioned itself to lead not just today's conflicts, but the wars of the future. Air dominance is the foundation of modern American warfare, and the U.S. military has invested more in controlling the skies than any nation in history. From advanced stealth fighters to long-range strategic bombers, the U.S. Air Force and Navy operate aircraft designed to strike first, evade detection, and dominate enemy airspace. Stealth technology allows U.S. jets to penetrate heavily defended regions without being seen, while advanced sensors provide pilots with a complete picture of the battlefield in real time. Supporting these aircraft is a massive network of airborne early warning systems, refueling tankers, and command and control platforms that extend mission range indefinitely. Unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones, add another layer of dominance by providing constant surveillance and precision strike capability without risking pilot lives. Combined with satellite intelligence and AI-assisted targeting, the U.S. effectively controls the air before ground forces even arrive. In modern warfare, air superiority is not optional, it is decisive, and this is where the United States remains unmatched. The world's oceans are the highways of global trade and military power, and the United States Navy dominates them like no other force. With aircraft carrier strike groups, capable of projecting power thousands of miles from home shores, the U.S. maintains a constant presence in critical regions around the globe. These carriers function as mobile air bases, launching air operations without relying on foreign land access. Beneath the surface, nuclear-powered submarines patrol silently, carrying missiles capable of striking targets anywhere on Earth with little warning. Destroyers and cruisers, equipped with advanced radar and missile defense systems, protect fleets and allies from aerial and ballistic threats. Logistics ships ensure sustained operations for months at sea, allowing the U.S. Navy to fight far from home longer than any adversary. This unmatched ability to control sea lanes ensures not only military dominance but also economic and geopolitical influence, reinforcing America's role as the world's primary maritime power. Space has become the most critical and least visible battlefield of the modern era, and the U.S. military has recognized its importance earlier than most. Satellites orbiting Earth provide constant communication, navigation, surveillance, and missile warning capabilities that modern warfare cannot function without. Every aircraft, ship, and ground unit depends on space-based systems for coordination and precision. The U.S. has developed specialized military structures dedicated to protecting these assets and denying adversaries the ability to use space effectively. Advanced space sensors can detect missile launches within seconds, while secure satellite networks allow commanders to coordinate operations across continents instantly. Emerging threats such as anti-satellite weapons and cyber attacks have pushed the U.S. to invest heavily in space defense and resilience. In future conflicts, the nation that controls space will control information, timing, and decision-making. And this is where American military strategy is increasingly focused. What truly separates the U.S. military from its rivals is its ability to integrate all domains of warfare into a single, unified system. Air, sea, space, cyber, and ground forces are no longer independent elements. They are part of a connected network where data flows instantly and decisions are made faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence, automation, and next generation weapons are shaping a future where wars may be decided before traditional battles even begin. Hypersonic weapons, autonomous systems, and advanced cyber capabilities are already redefining how power is projected. As global threats continue to evolve, the United States military adapts by staying ahead, technologically and strategically. Dominance is no longer about size alone. It is about speed, intelligence, and control across every domain. And as the battlefields of tomorrow expand beyond Earth itself, the U.S. continues to shape the future of warfare across the skies, the seas, and the vastness of space.